I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Plug the PS5 into a stable outlet and avoid switching it off. If you prefer rest mode, enable network updates. Make sure you have a solid internet connection. Wired is best. Otherwise, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and test it in settings. Free up storage if needed by removing large unused games. Once done, go to Settings System Software Update to initiate the process now. Now you'll download and install the update. Select System Software Update and start the download. You'll see progress and estimated time. Make sure not to power off the PS5 during download or installation. Interruptions can corrupt the update. If the network won't download, prepare a USB installer on a FAT32/X drive and follow Sony's file structure instructions, but only if necessary. Follow on-screen prompts. Accept the license and expect one or more finish by verifying the new system version in System software. Make sure your games and saves load properly. If the update fails, first restart the console and retry using a wired connection. If that still fails, use the USB installer method you prepared earlier. In stubborn cases, boot into safe mode and rebuild the database to fix corrupted files. If errors persist, note any error codes and contact support. They'll ask for that code to diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.